Hi, I'm Joseph with Belltech Suspensions. I want to introduce you to our 4-inch lift kit for the new generation Silverado. We'll start with the centerpiece of the entire kit, which is the coilover kit. It is adjustable from 3 to 4 inches and anywhere in between. It comes with a galvanized housing to resist corrosion and rust. Also allows you to keep the threads loose so that you can adjust it easily without them binding up. The spring rate's increased by a small amount. That's not necessarily for street performance. That's for more control when you're going off-road or when you have additional gear like a winch, a steel bumper. The front spring does help support the rear load as well. So again, it was intended to help you carry all the additional weight. So let's move on to our upper control arm. So the main thing here is changing the angle of the ball joint. We want to make it in a neutral spot in its new lift position. This is why you can't retain your factory control arm. The new ball joint angle allows us to increase the compression and extension travel. The increased travel, however, doesn't add any additional wear and tear on all your OE components. So OE bushings, OE ball joints, tie rods, all this, you have the same durability that you do with the OE. If you choose to upgrade to our HK kit, it comes with a front adjustable sway bar. It's 2-hole adjustable. That allows you, for street driving, that allows you to tune in how the truck turns into turns, just overall control when you're doing lane changes at high speeds on the freeway. It does help control additional gear weight, but not as much as a rear sway bar, but it does help you tune that in. It is powder coated gunmetal gray. It comes with urethane bushings that are greasable and serviceable. All right, let's move on to the rear of this lift kit. I'll start with the rear damper and the tuning philosophy that goes behind it. The goal here is to give you safety, control, and comfort. You know, when you're driving on the highway, and there's drastically different than when you're driving through city streets. However, you still want both to be comfortable and you still want both to be safe. So the way we do that is with how we tune the damper. The damper compression and rebound forces come in smoothly. It's a smooth transition from their low speed to their high speed. That gives you control when you're on the highway, when you're changing lanes. That gives you comfort when you're hitting small ruts. Now, the off-road side of that is the benefits of having traction in low traction, low grip environments. Soft dirt, soft sand, mud, snow, rain. Same idea, same concept, is that you want the damper and the hydraulics to come in smoothly, not shock the tire and ruin your grip, because once the grip's gone, you'll just start spinning the tire. From there, we can move on to the lift block, and the lift block is a 2-inch lift block that is powder coated, prevents or resists corrosion, rust, and levels the rear to the front. For this build, we chose to partner with Hankook. This is their new Dynapro AT2 Xtremes. This tire allows you to maintain traction in low traction environments, snow, rain, loose sand, very soft sand. My favorite part about it is the comfort that it gives you on the street and while off-road. Also the noise, like there's so little noise coming out of this tire, it just adds to the comfort.